Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello all students, I hope all you in good condition. And now I will explain about the basic electrical circuit. In electrical circuit, there is two kind of series. And the first series circuit and the second is parallel circuit. Okay, I bring something media to show about uh, parallel and series circuit. Okay, at the top of my media there is three lamp, and I will turn on the saklar. No light. Second, no light. And but the third saklar there is the lamp is on. But if I close one saklar, there is no light. Okay, I turn on again. If I turn off the saklar, the middle of the center, there is lamp of the three lamp is off. Okay, and if I turn off the saklar, the third saklar, so the all of lamp is closed or is off. And the second circuit, I have a parallel circuit. If I turn on the one saklar, there is one lamp on, and the second saklar, there is two lamp on, and the third saklar, there is three lamp on. If I turn off the one of saklar, maybe it's first saklar, so the two another lamp still live or still on or still give our light. If I close the second saklar, so just one lamp is on. Okay. So from this conclusion of the circuit, if the circuit of series, if one lamp is off, so the all of lamp is off, because in the circuit of series, the current is same. The current is same, but the voltage of every lamp is different. But in the parallel circuit, the current is divided by 3 or more. In the circuit, every circuit have each other every circuit have current with the different current. The current is depend on the resistor of a lamp and the voltage of source of energy. Okay, I will give you maybe some animation to make you interest and to make you know more about the circuit, electrical circuit, basic in series and parallel. Okay. Okay, student, this is the virtual laboratorium about circuit construction kit. You can visit this in this link, and I will give the link in my description video in my YouTube. Okay, I will click lab. There's intro and lab. I will choose lab. Okay, I will make something a circuit with a bulb. Okay, maybe 2-3 bulb. Okay, maybe 2-3 bulb. I will connect the bulb with the wire. Okay, and I will connect every bulb with battery, just one battery. Okay, and I will give every bulb with switch, because same with my media, every lamp have switch. Okay, switch. Okay, and one switch again. Okay. I will make this animation better to show. Okay, I think enough ya. I will delete this lamp because it's not good to show. I will give some wire and show about the lamp, the new lamp. Okay. It's okay, yeah? Okay, I will connect this lamp. There is no activity, there is no current. I will turn on the switch second. There is no activity, there is no current, and there is no energy. And if I turn on the switch, the last switch, there is will be the current is appear. Okay, maybe the current is not big, and I will check the current is just 0.3 ampere. Okay, if I want to make a bigger current, so I must increase the voltage. This 9 voltage. So if I additional voltage, there is will be the current of the circuit will be increased. If I decrease of the current, if I decrease the voltage, the current will be decreased. Okay, it's okay. I will make another circuit. I will make a parallel circuit maybe. Okay. In the parallel circuit, there is a 3 lamp. Okay, 3 lamp. 3 lamp, and I will connect all of the 3 lamp, and I will give the battery and connect the battery okay. There is have a current, and the current in the main current and the secondary current is different. Okay, because the current is divided by 3 lines. Okay, if I measure with the current, the primary current is 2.7 ampere, and the first line 0.9, 0.9, and 0.9. So the total current is 0.9, 0.9, 0.9 is the total is 2.7 ampere. Okay, how about the voltage? If I measure the voltage, the source voltage is from battery is 9 volts. If I measure in every lamp is 9 volts, and I measure in every lamp is 9 volts, in the third lamp is 9 volts. So in this circuit, in parallel circuit, there is a same in voltage, but it's different in current, yeah, different in current. So if I cut one lamp, it's still live, the current is still live, and if I cut the second lamp, the current is still live because there is 3 lines. But if I cut just one lamp in the series circuit, so the all of lamp will be off. Okay, I think enough. I'm sorry if my language is not good. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.